students, how are you? Today we discuss the addition and subtraction of the matrices. In the previous part we discussed the introduction of the matrices, and in that matrices we also discussed the importance of the matrices, and in ancient days the number of geometrical figures and as well as natural solutions and problems we developed the matrices. Now here we discuss the addition and subtraction. We also represent the matrices in the different forms as well as importance of row and columns. Here the necessary condition for the addition and subtraction, the order of matrices are same. The meaning is, suppose this is the one matrix A is equal to, this is the sign of matrix Aij, M into N means M row and N column, and here B is Bij where M row and N column. Then the addition of this is Bij and plus Bij is M cross N, means orders must be same, and the necessary condition that I is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to M, and J is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to N. How can we solve the problems of addition and subtraction? Now in example 1, if A is equal to, this is my 2 rows and 3 columns. Here we can represent them as R1, and this is represented by R2, and this is represented C1, C2 and C3. How can we add this one? This is A plus B. A plus B is equal to 2, 4, 11 minus 3, 5 minus 1 plus 6, 5 minus 1, 2 and 2, 17. Here always remember, dear friends, that this should be in the same order, and order always mentioned in the matrices. So when we simply add, that is equal to 2 plus 6, 11 minus 1, 5 and 2, and 4 plus 5, minus 3 plus 2, and minus 1 plus 17. And this is equal to 8, 10, 7, and 9, minus 1, and 16. And of course, we must write the order of our matrices. Now in the second example, we take, instead of 2, 3 matrices, and here we add and subtraction, both we will take to consideration. A is equal to, here the matrices of A, B and C in this question, they are all the 3 rows and 2 columns. First of all, we write the row and then we write the column. Here similarly, here also we can write, it is essential that order must be mentioned, and that is also 3 into 2, and that is 6, 1, 0 and minus 1, 0, 4 and 0, 3, 1 and 2, 2 minus 1. Now I have first of all calculate this 2A separately, 3B separately and C. This 2A is equal to, what's happened, what is the value of A? A is equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 3, 6. So when we write this 2A value is 2, 4, minus 2, 0, 6 and 12. And what's about this B? B is equal to my 6, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 4. And well, what's the question also arises, then there are 3 rows and 2 columns, then how many elements in the matrix? Naturally, that is the curiosity also. Of course, this 3 into 2 is equal to 6 elements. That's the correct answer. And when we take its 3b, so 3b is equal to 3 into 6, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 4, and it is written as 18, 3, 0, minus 3, 0, 12. So this is the situation of 3b. And C is without any coefficients, so there is no problem. Now, I solve this one, minus 3b plus C. Now I directly write the values of 2a and 3b, and therefore I will write here 2, 4, minus 2, 0, 6, 12 and minus of 3, and this is written as 18, 3, 0, minus 3, 0, 12. And what is the value of C? C is equal to 0, 3, 1 and 2, 2, minus 1. And therefore, when I simplify this one, 2, and this is, we can write 2 minus 18 plus 0, 0 plus 3 minus minus becomes plus. This is 0 minus is multiplied with 18, that is equal to minus 18, and that is equal to 0. And similarly, we can write 4 minus 3 plus 3 and 6 minus 0 plus 2, and similarly we can say minus 2 and minus 0 and plus 1, and here also 12 minus 12 minus 1. So in this case, when we find the value of this is equal to 2 minus 18, minus is number is more than the positive term, therefore we will write here minus 16, and this is 0 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and here this is equal to 4 and here equal to 8, and similarly this is written as minus 1 because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 because 2 having a minus sign and 1 having a positive sign, and therefore here also minus 1. Of course, what is your order? That is 3 row and 2 columns. Okay, now the next question. Now here the third example is if x plus y and taken x and y both together, and that is 5, 2 and 0, 9, means this is second row and 2 columns, and 2 rows, 2 columns, and here x minus y is also 2 rows, 2 columns, and therefore we have to find the value of x and y. These are two equations form, and when we write like this, that x plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 and x minus y is equal to 3, 6, 0, minus 1. In that case, when adding equation 1 and 2, when we're adding both of them, this is plus and this is minus, so naturally it is cancelled and it becomes 2x, and this 2x is equal to 5 plus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 0 and 9 minus 1, and this is equal to 2x is equal to 8, 8, 0, 8, or x is equal to here 4, 4, 0, 4, because 2 is divide this 8, 8, 0, 8 each and every term, and it becomes 4, 4 and 0, 4. Now friends, actually these are our two equations, x plus y and x minus y, 5, 2, 0, 9 and 3, 6, 0, minus 1. With the help of these two equations, I just find the value of x like this. Now after that, we are just solve this one, and this is equal to substituting value of x. This value of x whose order is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 of x in equation 1. I preferably equation 1 because both terms are positive. And if we interested in second equation also, there is no problem, but that is the negative sign, maybe creates some problem. So here x plus y is equal to yes 5, 2, 0, 9 what is the value of x? That is equal to 4404, and that is equal to yes, plus y is equal to 5209. So what is the value of y? I just like the fundamental operations of the equations, that this side I have changed the sign, and therefore we will write here y is equal to 5209 minus 4404. And when we solve this one, that is 5 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 0 minus 0, 9 minus 4, and that is equal to 1 minus 2, 0 and 5, that is 2 rows, 2 columns, and that is also 2 rows, 2 columns. This is 2 rows, 2 columns, and therefore we can say that these values of x and y is just 1 minus 205 for y, and x is 44 and 04. Now, this is the completion of this addition and subtraction, and next term we discuss about the multiplication of the matrices.